This 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 is brought to you by Steve at JW Truck Sales. New body style Silverado with 4-cylinder turbo. Lieutenant package clean Carfax when owner no accidents very clean truck save thousands on late model truck. 82-month financing with approved credit, factory warranty remains with next owners. Call for more info. Mechanical rear axle, 3.42 ratio, included with L8453L Ecotec 3 V8 engine, and NHT, max trailering package. Durated, pickup bed GVWR, 6,800 pounds, 3084 kilograms, requires 2WD model with L3B, 27L turbo engine, or double cab 2WD with L8453L Ecotec 3 V8 engine. Automatic stop/start battery, heavy-duty 730 cold cranking amps/80 amp HR, maintenance-free with rundown protection and retained accessory power, included and only available with L3B, 27L turbo engine or L8453L Ecotec 3